Hey guys, welcome to my new review. Toys review. So you is not here right now. We need to clap down to summon my sister Yui. Clap with me and 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello guys.
Not. I just pressed 5. I just really pressed 5. What the flip?
So, you see that? So, guys, we're playing
A new review.
a plushie. Tons of plushie.
The blue bag is mine.
Yes, and it is mine. So, before we start, please click
The
like button there.
and
if
the
you
bell
like it.
icon. And the bell
And
icons you
please
never miss our
subscribe.
video. The
Yes.
bell icons you never miss our videos. Like a comment and see you can subscribe all of the videos. Okay?
Calm down. And subscribe me on my videos.
Like
Sorry if it's just like a normal. And
there's a new movie coming
I
out.
am half Japanese and Filipino, and my brother too. Now, guys, let's start. Okay, guys, let's start. This is yours.
Oh my.
Open yours first.
Okay, what's inside here? Okay, so.
A mystery.
Oh,
It's cute. Okay.
this
next.
is so fat.
One by one.
This is
One
so-
by one.
This
Okay.
is so fat, guys. I'm just gonna review this.
What is that? A hamster?
Yeah,
And second is mine.
that's no
Para
plushie.
maingay. What is this?
A dog. That's it.
We buy this at the Disneyland. I know, not in Disneyland. We buy this at the Hawaii.
Oh, this is so cute. Mommy. Ah.
It's not- That is finished.
Oh.
So it's my turn. It's big, kind of big and soft.
Okay.
Then let's next yours.
Okay, so guys, the next
Oh, wait,
one. This part because I just played this. I just pretending that Summer Cake is not in this. And yeah, that's it.
Comment down below if what is you want about teddy bears. Oh no, not the teddy bears. A floppy toys like this.
Yeah, like plush.
Flush in the toilet. No, it's not my turn. Now.
okay.
Oh, this is a cute one.
A chipmunk. Maybe
No,
that's
this
a
is
lion.
lion.
Why did you have a
And
lion
it
there?
has. Look at it.
That's a freaking tail.
No, look.
The frick?
It has a magic on it.
The freaking frick?
Look at
The
that.
frick? Maybe that's a glowing tiger. lion.
I don't think so. It's color blue in here, but in here
Looks
it's
like
color red.
What?
Look at the stars and the flower. It's hot. So this is my lion. Comment.
Comment down below. Yes. Comment down below.
So let's Shin's turn.
Oh, a cat. It's so cute.
Aww.
I like this cat.
Comment down.
Comment down below if you like my videos. Like catposter.com. My name is catposter.com. And I always fight boss baby and leave a comment.
Okay, that's
down
enough. That's
to
enough.
my videos. Thank
Now
you.
it's my turn.
Thank you.
What is this?
What?
It's same as you.
It's a cat.
It's a cat, a baby cat.
This is
That's finished.
This is another cat.
That's not a cat, I think.
This is a.
Comment down below if what is this.
That's a freaking cat.
I don't know if this is a cat or a jaguar.
This is not
This
a
is a
jaguar.
cat.
Jaguar is a black color.
Yeah.
Jaguar.
And next you.
The next one. My favorite. A. Oh, no, this is not. This is nope, not that. What should we get?
Wow, this.
Oh, it's a baby chickman. This is a freaking baby chickman. So cute. So cute. They're freaking saying.
That is not a hamster. That is not a hamster.
I just said
that is
chickman.
not a chickman. That is a hamster.
Hamster.
Okay, guys. Comment down if what is this.
It's a hamster.
Is it a hamster or a chickmunk? It's holding. What is it holding?
A leaf.
A Lucky.
Leaf.
You know Lucky? Luckily.
That's a leaf.
So it's my turn.
This
is my favorite one. It's cute.
What is it? A bear?
Teddy bear.
I know. I knew it. There was a bear, guys. I knew it.
It has a bow, orange bow, a brown bow, brown. And it has ears, pretty ears at the back.
It's a keychain, guys. Keychain.
No, it's not. Look at it. Now it's your turn.
What?
There's
two more now. Here. Oh, it's a bear too. It's another bear. It's a girl bear. It's another bear.
It's a dog.
No.
It's a dog.
Oh yeah, it's a dog. Hello, comment down below. I always write boss baby to send the cats. I know it. Okay, shut up.
So it's my turn. I think I only have two more. This is my favorite. Oh no, this is not. This. What is this? I don't think this
a
is
dog.
This is not a dog. Is this a head or not?
Yeah, it's a head.
Comment down below if this is just a head or it has a body.
It's a body.
It doesn't have. He is so, you know.
I know everything.
Look. Okay, I'll tell you. It has a body.
Told you.
But it is not. You crazy. Comment down below if what is this.
I only have one more. Okay, so next one is this.
Oh, what is that? It has a mushroom on it. It's orange mushroom. Oh, I think this is a mouse. I think.
That's not.
Comment down below.
Mouse. Wait, I have one more. I have one more.
Oh my god. Holy moly.
I have one more.
And
I have one more, guys.
And this is
a ninja. A ninja.
A ninja. No, this is not a ninja. This is a you know, in the restaurant in Japanese, you know, bleach.
Shenanigans.
Oh gosh, it just barked.
Shenanigans. Oh, shenanigans.
It has a belt. And
what the frick is
second
this?
line is this is my favorite. It's cute.
It
has He's holding a peanut.
That's a chipmunk.
Chipmunk. Oh, this is not a chipmunk. This is a hamster.
Oh.
Again. It's cute.
And another.
Okay, guys.
It's
Comment down below if what is your favorite among of mine, group A,
Or
group A,
mine.
or group B.
F.
Group B, because we're only two, right? Guys, if you want more videos, just click down the like button and we will get a new video. Do you wanna try not to laugh challenge, try not to look away, just all challenge? We will do it. We will do it. We will do it.
We'll do it.
Oh, guys, you know the TikTok? Follow me there. My name is Princess UE. No, Blackpink. Yes, it's Princess UE.
Yeah.
My
And me
name
too.
is there, Princess UE, and Facebook, Princess UE.
Follow me on
And,
Twitter.
You don't have any Twitter.
I'm just
You
pretending.
crazy.
Follow.
He doesn't have. He's just pretending.
Follow.
Because he is just small. He only have a, YouTube channel. And he wished to be a YouTuber. So please, guys, subscribe us.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe me and him.
Ow.
So, guys, bye-bye.